Oh, hi everybody! This is Marshall Studios Forever Production here. Marshall Studios Forever Production is taped in front of a live audience tonight. Brand new video, everybody. You're going to be watching some clips of me running the vacuum cleaner on my Eureka high performance self-propelled upright vacuum cleaner. I will see you right after the show is over, okay? See ya! Oh, hi everybody! This is Marshall Studios Forever Production here. Marshall Studios Forever Production is taped in front of a live audience this evening, and also Marshall Studios Forever Production is here tonight. And also, what I really found out for tonight's video, I decided to run my Eureka ESP. I decided to clean up those leaves right there. And you'll see. Well, sorry about that, everybody. But anyway, decided to run it for you guys. And also, sorry about that. Also, what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to turn on the switch in 3, 2, 1, and go. There you go. That's all, folks. Wow. That is so amazing. Well, everybody, make sure you click thumbs up, hit subscribe, click down below what you like to see for a brand new Marshall Studios Forever production, for a brand new video. Comment, like, subscribe, what you like to see for a brand new video. I will see you in the next video tomorrow. Bye!